see your saved passwords on your mobile. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to see your saved passwords even if you have an iPhone or an Android. So if you saved your passwords on from your different accounts or apps, you just have to follow the steps from this video. So you will see that it's really easy. So first of all, you just have to go to your Gmail. Then you have to click on your profile icon from the right top corner. And then here you have to click on manage your Google account. So here you have to swipe a little bit until you find security. So we have home, personal info, data and privacy, and then security. So click on that. And then here you have to swipe down. And at the bottom of the page, you will see signing into other sites. So here we have password manager. You have 12 passwords saved in your Google account. So as you can see, I have only 12 passwords saved in my Google account. But if you like to save your passwords here, then you will have much more saved passwords. So click on password manager. And then here you will find all of your accounts and apps. So you can click on the app or account that you want to see your password. So I will go to Roblox, and then you have to use your fingerprint or your PIN if you don't have a fingerprint. And here you'll have your password. So yeah guys, you just have to click on the eye right here and then your password will be shown. So I won't click on that because I don't want you to see my Roblox password. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.